Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to make your Facebook profile private. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. The steps are similar in web version, Android version and iPhone version also. In here I use Android emulator using Android version. So follow my mouse pointer for your understanding and navigation. First, you have to log into your Facebook account. Now I am currently logged in my account. Then you can see there is a small profile icon in top right corner. In my case it is 3 lines, just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down a little bit until you find setting and privacy. Just tap on setting and privacy. Then again tap on setting here. Then you need to scroll down and under the tools and resources section, you can see there is an option called privacy checkup. Just tap on it. Okay, there are a lot of options here. We go in one by one. First, you have to click on this one, who can see what you share. Just tap on it. Scroll down. You can change here your profile information, post and stories, and blocking. So just tap on continue. Okay, first option is your email. It is currently set as only me. You can change it to friends or public. And your birthday, it is friend of friends. You can change it friends, only me, public. And your birth year also, and your hometown, current city, and who can see your friends list on your profile. Currently it is set as public. You can change it to friends. Okay. And who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Currently it is set as public and you can change it to friends. And tap on next. Okay, now your default audience, that means your default audience is set to friends. This will be your audience for future posts. That means if you post some update your post, it can be seen by your friends. If you change it, just tap on it. You can choose it as public or tap on see more. You can only me and specific friends kind of thing. I will keep this as it is. Just go back. And your stories also currently set it as friends. And you can limit past post. If you dig into past one of your friend, you can limit the showing post by just tapping this limit. And just tap on limit again. Now it is limited. Okay, now just tap on next and you can add block list. If you don't need to someone looking your page or your stories kind of things, you just add him to this block list. Then after tap on next. Okay, now you all the set in that section. Just go to review another topic. Now we go to second one, how to keep your account secure. Tap on it and this one you can change this information and just tap on continue. And turn on alerts. You can turn on Facebook alerts and email alerts related to this. I will keep this as it is and just tap on skip. And you can change the password. I'm not going to do that, skip. And you can add two-factor authentication for your account. If you need to add two-factor authentication, like you can add your phone numbers for two-factor authentication, or you can add emails. If you need that, you just tap on get started. I am not going to do that, so I tap on skip. And you almost set those informations also. So tap on review another topic. And go to the third one, how people can find you on Facebook. Just tap on it. In this section we called about friend request, phone number and email, and search engines. Just tap on continue. Who can send you friend request? Now it is set as everyone. You can change it to friends of friends. Okay, now I will change it to friends of friends and tap on next. Who can we suggest your profile to based on your phone number and email? You can see in your profile you can suggest some friends, so you can change that information from this. If someone has your phone number, they will suggest you. If you don't need to do that, people use your phone number, just tap on edit and it is set as to friends. And if someone has your email and you don't want to suggest your account to them, you just set it as no one know. You can just set it as friends kind of thing and then tap on next. Okay, search engine like Google can link your profile, help you more easily. If you turn off, you can't search through search engines, so just turn off this and tap on next. So you all set in that section. Also just tap on review another topic, and your data setting on Facebook, just tap on it, another section. Scroll down. This will help you to change apps and website and location. Just tap on content. Okay, now currently we don't have any app or website that link with Facebook, so just tap on next. Okay, now location also currently set it as off, so it is more secure, so just tap on next. Okay, I set those informations also. Just review the last one, add preferences. Just tap on it. Scroll down. You can change ads, profile information, social interaction, so just tap on continue. Scroll down, tap on next. Okay, alright, this help to some advertisers try to reach certain people by using information on their profile. If you no need to get the advertisement based on your relationship status, just switch off this, and based on your employer also just switch off, and job title on switch off, and education switch off. If you need to get some ads related to this information, just switch on this. Okay, now tap on next, and this is the social interactions. Alright, scroll down. Who can see your social interaction alongside ads? Now it is set as your friends. Tap on it and you can choose it only me. Okay, now tap on next, and that's done. Just review another topic. Alright, you reviewed all the topic related to your account private. So this is how you can make your account private. If you gain some knowledge from this, please consider subscribe and like the video. See you soon in new video.